Good day, students. You are welcome to our Greek class. Happy weekends to you all. The topic we are considering today is uses of forest resources. The following are the uses of forest resources. Number 1, provision of food for man and animal. Forest resources serve as provision of food for man and animal. We know that different types of fruits, nuts, vegetables, and bushmeats serve as food for man and animal. So all these products are from the forest. We equally know that animals depend on this forest as well, forest resources, before they can eat, before they can be fed. So our human beings goes to the forest to get the fruits for the animals to eat, to get some herbs, to get some weeds for them to eat. This makes it to be useful for animals and at the same time for man. The second one is provision of timber. Timber provides timber from Iroko, Obeche, Homo, Afara, Teak, Ebony, Manzonia, Mahogany, which are used as building materials. Our contractors goes to the forest to get timber that we are using to build our houses. The third one, provision of employment. Most people depend on the forest and its products for a living. For example, forest guards, hunters, timber contractors, and sculptors earn their living from the forest. Without this, there is nothing they can do. It provides employment for this set of people. We can see also that forest resources has really provided recreational center and tourist attraction. The forest reserve and game reserve attracts many people from within us and outside the country to see the wild animals in their natural environments. Some of our people come from outside the country to come and look at the game reserve that we have in Nigeria. So it has really served as recreational center and the tourist attractions. The next one is the provision of income for the government. Forest resources are really served as provision for the government in the sense that the government generates revenue through the issuance of licenses to timber contractors and hunters to operate in the forest. These timber contractors pay tax to the government. The next uses is the provision of firewood. Firewood and charcoal can be obtained from the forest. These serve as source of fuel used for cooking in homes. Most homes are now depending on the charcoal and firewood since the increase in the gas. So most people are now using charcoal. It has really served as provision of firewood for our people. The next one is provision of homes for animals. The forest serves as a natural habitat for animals such as rats, monkeys, elephants, and the lion. So most of our wild animals lives in the forests. Most of those wild animals that we see, we get them from the forest. So it has really served as a natural habitat for the animals. The next one is provision of medicine. Some forest plants are used in pharmaceutical industries to produce chemicals and drugs. Neem, e.g. neem plant is used to manufacture insecticides. Bitter leaf is also used to manufacture antibiotics. The next one is provision of raw materials for industries. Materials that are obtained from the forest are used in agro-based industries. For example, gum, jute, kenaf, scissor, rope, palm fronds, pulpwood, timber, and resins are used in factories for making different products. The last uses of forest resources is it serves as research and training center. Most of our resources, our forest resources, serve as research and training center in the sense that it provides research and training for agricultural research industries. Findings from the institute can be converted into useful products that will add value to the society. This is the end of today's class. Make sure you copy all your notes. Have a wonderful weekend.